Hi students, today we are going to start chapter 7, ratio and proportion. Ratio, we know there will be a is to between two quantities. They should be same kind. A is to B. Another form is A by B. Proportion means A by B is equal to C by D, or A is to B is equal to C is to D. Equality between two ratios. Exercise 7A, first problem. Find the ratio between 30 paise and rupees 1 rupee 35 paise. Same kind should be there. Here paise is there. This side also paise on. If this side rupees, that side also rupees on. So easy to convert rupees into paise. We know 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. 100 paise. So here 60 paise is to 1 rupee 35 paise. Now 30 paise is to 135 paise. How 135? 1 rupee means 100 paise. 100 paise plus 35 paise. Both are paise. So we will get, we are going to add 135 paise. So here on it is equal to, if you want write, no problem. 60 is to 135. Ratio means is to 5 table. 5 goes 12 times. 5 goes 5 to 10, 7 times. Again 3 table goes. 3 goes 4 times. 3 goes 9 times. What is the answer? 4 is to 9. This is the way of find the ratio we got. Coming to fourth one, 35 minutes is to, we can convert, this is 1 hour 3/4 of an hour. 1 hour means we know 1 hour 3/4 of an hour. We can easily find hour into minutes. So here minutes we can't, comes into decimal, so convert hours into minutes. 35 minutes, 1 hour means 60 minutes. 3/4 an hour, 3 by 4 into 60. 4 goes 15 times, 45 minutes plus 45 minutes. Total how many? 35 minutes is to 105 minutes. Both should be same kind. Then only we can solve this ratio. So here 35 is to 105. 5 table. 5 goes 7 times is to 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are. Next again 7 table. 7 goes here 1 time, 7 goes here 3 times. So what is the answer means? 1 is to 3. Everybody follow, we have to convert in such a way. Then we will get ratio. Second problem. If A is to B is equal to 5 is to 6 and B is to C is equal to 9 is to 11, find first bit. A is to C, second bit. A is to B is to C, second bit. Now solution, what is given? A is to B is equal to 5 is to 6. And what is given? B is to C is equal to 9 is to 11. What is the meaning of A is to B? A by B. The another form of A is to B is A by B is equal to 5 by 6. What is another form of B is to C? B by C is equal to 9 by 11. See here carefully. Here B is there. Here also B is there. But the values are not same. Here B is 6. Here B is 9. Make these values equal. Take this 9 here and multiply both numerator and denominator. Bring this 6 and multiply here both numerator and denominator. So that 5 9s are 45. 6 9s are 54. Again here 9 6 are 54. 11 6 are 66. Now B here B and here we both got same values. Now first bit they are asking. Now first bit what they are asking? A is to C. A means how much we got? 45 is to, what's the value of C? 66. Now simplify. 3 table can get cancelled. 3 goes 15 times. 3 goes 22 times. 3 table. No more common table. So what is the answer? 15 is to 22. That is equal to 15 is to 22. Coming to the second bit. What is second bit? A is to B is to C. What is A? 45 is to, what is B? 54 is to, what is C? 66. Now 3 table cancels. 3 goes 15 times. 3 goes 3 ones are 3 18 times. 3 goes 22 times. So what is the final answer? 15 is to 18 is to 22. So that is the answer. They told to find the value of A is to B is to C. We got 15 is to 18 is to 22. Fourth problem. If 3A is equal to 5B is equal to 6C, find A is to B is to C. Solution. Given 3A is equal to 5B is equal to 6C. So how I am writing means 3A is equal to 5B and again 5B is equal to 6C. I am separating. Bring variables to one side, numerical values to another side. A by B. A you write here only and bring B this side. When comes from 5B means 5 into B, multiplication, division. Here 5 as it is 3. Multiplication comes to division. Again once cross check whether you wrote correct or not. So we got ratio now. A by B is equal to 5 by 3. Coming to here. B by C is equal to 6 by 5. Now bring this B by C here. B by C is equal to 6 by 5. Here B and B okay, but coming to here values, here 3 is there, here 6 is there. So bring this 6 and multiply numerator and denominator. And coming to here, multiply 3 into 3. So what you will get now? A by B is equal to 5 6 are 30. 3 6 are 18. B by C. 6 3s are 18. 5 3s are 15. Now, what they are asking to find? They told to find. So, A is to B is to A is to B is to C. A how much? 30. 30 is to B how much? Anything you can take because both are same only. Here B is 18, here also B is 18. Before we can't take because here 3 is there, here 6 is there. So 6 and 3 separate. B is equal to 3 and B is equal to 6. But here the values became same. So B is 18 is to what is C? 15. 1 5 15. Now 3 table is common. If common table is there, cancel. 3 goes here 10 times. 3 goes here 6 times. 3 goes here 5 times. So what is the answer miss? 10 is to 6 is to 5. They told to find the value of A is to B is to C. 10 is to 6 is to 5. Fifth problem. If A by 2 is equal to B by 3 is equal to C by 6. Find A is to B is to C. Solution. Given A by 2 is equal to B by 3 is equal to C by 6. Now A by 2 is equal to B by 3. One combination. Next, B by 3 is equal to C by 6. Now again, variables one side, numerical values other side. So, A by B is equal to 2 by 3. Numerator comes to denominator, denominator goes to numerator. Next here, B by C is equal to 3 by 6. Now, A by B is equal to 2 by 3 and here B by C is equal to 3 by 6. Unfortunately, the values of both B's are same here. So, very easy to, they told to find A is to B is to C. So, what is the answer? 2 is to 3 is to 6. Is there any table, common table cancel? No. So, what is the answer means? 2 is to 3 is to 6. Sixth problem. If A is to B is equal to 8 is to 5, find 7A plus 5B is to 8A minus 9B. Solution. Given what they have given, A is to B is equal to 8 is to 5. They gave in ratio. We don't know the exact value of A. So let A is equal to 8K and B is equal to 5K. Think like this. Now they are asking to find 7A plus 5B is to 8A minus 9B. We can write another form, 7A plus 5B divided by 8A minus 9B. That is equal to 7A. 7 into A value is 8K. Plus is there, plus 5 into B value 5K divided by 8 into 8K minus is there 9 into 5K. Now multiply. 7 8s are 56. 56K plus is there plus 5 5 is 25. 25K. Next, 8 8s are 64. 64k minus 9 5s are 45. 45k. Now add 56 plus 25. How much? 81. 81k. Next. 64 minus 45. 19k. 19k. K cancel. What is remaining? 81 by 19. There is no common table. Is there any common table for 18 and 19? No common table. So, they told to find, we got the answer 81 by 19. Eighth problem. If x is to y is equal to 10 is to 3, find 3x square plus 2y square is to 3x square minus 2y square. Solution. Given x is to y is equal to 10 is to 3. We don't know the exact values. So let x is equal to 10k and y is equal to 3k. Now they told to find here 3x square. We will write what is given first. Afterwards they told to find 3x square plus 2y square is to 3x square minus 2y square. Another form, 3x square plus 2y square divided by 3x square minus 2y square, that is equal to 3 into x means how much? 10k whole square plus 2 into y value 3k whole square. Next 3 into 10k whole square minus 2 into 3k whole square. Now that is equal to 10 tenths are 100k square. 3 into 100k square minus 3 3 is 9. Here plus is there. 2 into 9k square divided by, again here same, the minus 3 into 100k square. Here 3 into 100k square plus 2 into 9k square divided by 3 into 100k square minus 2 into 9k square. Now add 300 plus 18 is 318k square. From 300 subtract 18, 282. Now 2 table cancels. Take 2 table common. 159 times it goes. Here 141. Again take 3 table. Take 3 table. 3 goes 53 times. 3 goes 47 times. K square get cancelled. So 53 by 47.